Darren? Oops. Hey, are you ready? Just give me a minute, guys. Waiting on other participants to come in. Waiting on other participants to come in. Give me a few minutes. Give me a minute, guys. So wait, so it depends on people how they must know. Community movie, the different, to decide to your friend. Huh? To decide to your friend. I will be starting in the next 10 minutes. Give me a few guys to get other participants ready. Waiting for other participants before I start. Give me a few minutes and then we'll be starting. Yes, guys, I see some few persons on, but I'm just waiting for some other participants to come on. So get your pens and your rubbers or your pencils and your sharpeners, and we'll be starting in a few minutes. Let me see who is going to be top of the chart today. Who is going to be the Maths Ed? Could you please um, give your name, state your name, identify yourself so that I can identify you and address you by your appropriate name. Could you please identify your name, please? Give your name. Let me see the hands who are ready. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, Rashida, I see you there. Who is the next participants? Thanks for that thumbs up. Okay, I think I'll be starting right now. Let's go. So get your pencils and your sharpeners and your papers, as I said earlier, and let's get going. Now, sorry about my rooster in the back. I hope you can hear me. Indicate and tell me if you're hearing me properly, please. Give me a thumbs up and let me know if you're hearing me clear. Okay. Okay. So the question, the answer, going to start right now, and everyone else where I have not yet indicate, we'll see later. So the question is, it's a maths question, and you have to give the answer to the question. So I'm going to read out the maths question, and then you give the answer, text the answer to me. Okay, what is the sum of 130 plus 125 plus 191? Give your answer, please. Let me see which of you guys is going to rock it. Wow, wonderful, wonderful. Zenex, wonderful, wonderful. Zenex, get the first one. 446 is the answer. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. The next, we're having some bright students here. The next quiz, the next maths is, if we minus 712 from 1,500, how much do we get? If you do not understand or hear the question, you can indicate in the chat telling me to repeat, and I will repeat the question. No, Zenex, that is wrong. Let me repeat. If we minus 712 from 1,500, how much do we get? No, Zenex, you are wrong. Try again. The question is, if we minus 712 from 1,500, how much do we get? Let me repeat. If we minus 712 from 1,500, how much do we get? Yes, Zenex, the answer is 788. Wonderful. Give yourself a pat on the shoulder, Zenex. Wonderful. We're having a bright student here. Wonderful, Zenex. Wonderful. Okay. Wonderful. What is 50 of 8 is equal to? What is 50 of 8 is equal to? Wonderful, Rashida. Wonderful. The answer is 400. Now, some persons is wondering what the HUF stand for. Who can tell me what the HUF stand for? Rashiba, can you tell how you get your answer? Wonderful, Rashiba. We multiply The question was, what is 50 off? Some persons don't know that the off is talking about multiplication. Wonderful, Rashiba, wonderful. So Rashiba is catching up to you, Zenex. So be careful. The next question is 110 divided by 10. What is the answer? One 110 divided by 10. What is the answer? Divide 10 from 110. What is the answer? 100. Let me see. Wonderful, Rashiba. 11. Rashiba, I'm telling you. I wonder which college you go to, Rashiba. You're just going up to Zenex. I hope Zenex watch his backs, Zenex, Rashiba is coming after you. You better get it on. Whatever. Oh my God. Get it together. Zenex, let's go again. The other equation is, pay attention on this one. This one is quite tricky. 20 plus, open bracket, 90 divided by 2, close bracket, is equal to, let me see. The answer, let me repeat, 20 plus, open bracket, 90 divided by 2, close bracket. Let me see. If you did not hear me, indicate that you don't hear, and if you want me to repeat, let me repeat. 20 plus, open bracket, 90 divided by 2 is equal to. Wonderful, Rashiba. You're wonderful, wonderful. The answer is wonderful, Zenex. Both of you are having a tie, man. Zenex and Rashiba, you're having a tie. 65 is the answer. Wonderful. 65 is the answer. How you work this out? You have to work out the one in bracket. Divide the 90 divided by 2, and then you add the 20 with the answer, and you get your answer. Wonderful. The other question is the product of 82 and 5 is. 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 Is this one bursting you guys' brain? Come on, Zenex and Rashiba, what is going on? Okay, give you some more time to break it down. Get your pencils and your rubber and rub out and calculate again. The product of 82 and 5 is? The product of 82 and 5 is? No, Zenex. It's not 16. Try again. The product of 82 and 5 is? Indicate if you give up or you want some more time. Zenex said skip. Who agree with Zenex? Rashiba, do you want me to give the answer or are you still at it? The product of 82 and 5 is? Okay. The product of 82 and 5 is? What is the product of 82 and 5? Wonderful, Zenex. The answer is 410. Wonderful. You have to multiply to get this. The product of 82 and 5 is 410. Wonderful. Give yourself a round of applause, Zenex. Wonderful. So I think we have a tie with Zenex and Rashiba. Wonderful. Let me see. Give this, solve 24 divided by 8 plus 2. Solve 24 divided by 8 plus 2. What is the answer? Solve 24 divided by 8 plus 2. Let me repeat. Solve 24 divided by 8 plus 2. Let me see. Rashiba, you make Zenex is passing you out. Wonderful, Rashiba. The answer is 5. Wonderful. Rashiba, you're on the lead again. Oh my God. We split the tie between Zenex and Rashiba. I mean, Rashiba is not going to stay at the back. She's just coming up to Zenex. Wonderful. The problem is solve 24 divided by 8 plus 2 equal 5. Wonderful, Rashiba. Now the other answer, the other question is solve 300 minus open bracket 150 times 2 close bracket. What is the answer? Come on, guys. Let me see who is going to get this one. This one is a prize winner. Let me see. Let me see. Whoa, my God, my God, my God, my God. Rashiba, you're on the lead, you're on the lead. The answer is 0. Solve 300 minus open bracket 150 multiplied by 2 equal to 0. Wonderful. So what you do is in the bracket, you work out in the bracket first. 150 times 2, and then you minus it from the 300, give you 0. Wonderful, Rashiba, wonderful. And equalize, listen now, I don't want to bite my tongue. An equilateral triangle as 2 of its sides equal, true or false? An equilateral triangle as 2 of its sides equal, true or false? Indicate your answer in the messaging box. What's your answer? Is it true or false? An equilateral triangle as 2. Wonderful. It's false because all sides are equal. So it's false. All sides are equal. Wonderful, 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 Rashiba, where is you? Zenex, where are you? Rashiba is just, oh, I see the tie with Zenex and Rashiba. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. The other answer is triangle a 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional shape? Is it 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional shape? Which one is it? Is a triangle a 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional shape? Let me repeat. An equal is triangle a 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional shape? No, Zenex. You're wrong. It is 2. No, it's not 3, Rashiva. It's 2. Because when you just picture the triangle or it shapes, and then you put you straighten it down, you get 2. So it is 2. Wonderful. Good try though. The square of 8 is equal to? 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 This one you have to put on your thinking cap, guys. The square of 8 is equal to, come on, Zenex and Rashiba. And who else out there? Give it a try. The square of 8. No, Rashiba. Try again. It's not 2. Try again, Rashiba. The square of 8 is equal to. Try one more time, Rashiba. It's not 2, girl. Try again. No, Rashiba, it's not 4. Try again, try again, try again. Try again. The square of 8 is equal to, Graham. That's, what is that? No, that is not 5. That's not 5. Try again, try again. Let me repeat. The square of 8 is equal to, I can't call your name. I will call the last one, Maya. No, Maya. Try again, Maya. The square of 8 is equal to, try again, try again. Indicate if you give up, but try again one more time. Try again. The square of 8 is equal to, this one is really tricky, you know. This one is really tricky. This one have your brain going. The square of 8 is equal to, no, Maya. Try again, Maya. Try again. Try again, Maya. Try again. It's not fast. It's not. Try again. The square of 8 is equal to, try again. Try again. Can I give you a clue? Who want me to give them a clue? 14, Maya? No, Maya. Do you want me to give you a clue? Indicate if you want me to give you a clue. Indicate, and let me see who would get the answer first. Indicate. Oh my God! Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is Amorele? I can't call that name. 64 is the answer. Wonderful. Wonderful. 64 is the answer. You might wonder how we get 64, but remember, when you have 8 and it's a square, you have that little 2 up at the top, and you know that 2 multiplied by 2 and you get 64. Wonderful. So 8 times 8 is 64. Wonderful. The little square. 8 squared. Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. We're getting there. We're getting there. The other one is cube of 5 is equal to 125. Cube of 5 is, yes, congrats, Maya. Wonderful, congrats. The square cube of 5 is equal to, 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 wonderful, Maya, wonderful, wonderful. 125 is the answer. It's similar to the one that you had before. Wonderful, wonderful. That's not a lie, Xenix. It's the truth. And let me tell you how it works out. You know, like how you have the 8 square that I said before. The cube is 3. So now you have 5 and 3 at the top. So you know, no, it's 5 times 5 times 5 give you 125. Yes, 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 yes. Wonderful, Maya. Wonderful. The other answer is no. Remember, in Jamaica here we use dollars, but we're going to use the other country called pound. We're going to go to wonderful, Maya. We're going to go to pound sterling right now. And listen now. If listen the question very carefully. If I pay £2 14 pence for a bag of rice, then sells it on for $3, how much profit have I made? Let me repeat. If I buy £2 14 pence for a bag of rice and then sell it on for $3, how much profit have I made? The bag of rice is for £2 14 pence, and I sold it for £3. How much profit do I make? No, Maya, I don't want it into percentage. The England pound, the England money, £2 and 14 pence for a bag of rice, and then sold it for £5 of England pound. How much profit have I made? The pound is in wonderful. Oh my God, oh Rashiba. Oh my God, Rashiba, you're coming. It's 86 pence. Wonderful, Rashiba. Wonderful, you're wonderful, Rashiba. Wonderful. So you minus the 214 from the £3, and you get the pence. Wonderful, Rashiba. Wonderful. Maybe you're living in England, Rashiba. Are you living in England? Indicate and tell me if you're living in England. Oh my God, girl. It's 86 pence. Wonderful. The other question is, I buy a TV for listen again. I buy a TV for 47,000 and I get 20% off. How much did I pay for the TV? Let me repeat. I buy a TV for $47,000 and I got 20% off. How much did I pay for the TV? Wonderful, Rashiba. Wonderful, wonderful. Where is Zenix and where is Maya and where is the other crew? Oh my God, there is Rashiba is coming back for her crown of gold. Oh my God, Rashiba. Yes, the answer is 37,600. But I'm asking another question pertaining to this same question. What was the percentage? What is the 20% that come off? What is the 20% that came off to give you wonderful, wonderful 950? 9,400 discount you get. Oh my God, that place is giving out. Oh my God, is giving that TV. Oh my God, to someone who can afford it. 20%. Oh my God, Rashiba, you could do well with that 9,400 and buy something else. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So, in order to work out this equation, you have to put the 47,000 above 100, and then you times it by the 20%. Then you cancel the 20, the zero up on the top and the zero on the bottom, and you cancel the other zero on the top and the other zero on the bottom, and then you multiply it. You multiply the 470 by the 20. That's how you get the 37,600. Wonderful. It seemed like, oh my God, it seems as if Xenix is going crazy. He's like, he can't believe the answer or something. Okay, okay. The other answer, the other question is, if I buy a chair for $50 and sold it for $75, what is my profit? If I buy a chair for $50 and sold it for $75, what is my profit? If I buy a chair for, wonderful, Rashiba, wonderful. Are you a teacher or what? Tell me if you're a math teacher, girl. Tell me. The answer is 25. Oh, and everyone agrees to 25. Maya and Xenix agree to 25. Wonderful. We have some bright students here. The other equations is, if I buy a stove for $250, sorry, let me repeat. If I buy a stove for $25,000, that is including 15% tax. What was the cost of the stove before tax? If I buy a stove for $25,000, that is including 15% tax. What was the cost of the stove before tax? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Yes, Rashiba, you are correct. The answer is 21,500. And could anyone tell me that's not for Xenix? That is the right thing. $21,250 grow to Rashiba. Wonderful. And can anyone tell me the 15%, what the 15% would be? The 15% tax off the 25%. Could you just tell me how much would that be? Oh my God. Oh, are you using Google, Rashiba? Maya is saying that you're using Google. And Xenix is saying, that me I say. Are you using Google? Oh my God, Maya. I wonder if she's using Google. I hope she's not using Google. Are you catching your Xenix, Maya, 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 Maya? Wonderful. Something better than that. I wonder what is better than Google. Maybe it's our good calculating brain, you know what I'm saying? And maybe a pen and paper on Oprah. Oh my God, what is wrong with Xenex? It's coming too fast. Or Wikipedia. Oh my God. So Maya, what were you using, Maya? What were you using? What were you using, Maya? What were you using? No. Who want me to continue? Siri. What is Siri? Siri. What is Siri?
Like Amazon or Alexa.
Oh, you're using Amazon? Siri?
No,
Amazon?
Siri. Like, it's like Amazon or Alexa.
Oh, you're using Alexa?
No, Siri. Jesus.
Well, I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out what is Siri. Lord, no Siri. Oh my God. No. I come to the end of my maths quiz, but I want to ask a question before I go further. Do you guys want me to continue with our maths quiz, or do you want me to go to some animal quiz? Continue from there, or do you want me to shut down and start the animal quiz? Indicate and tell me, guys, what you want me to do. Do you want me to continue with some maths, or do you want me to go to the animal quiz? Your answer looking sus. Animal quiz? Who said animal quiz? Let me see who said animal quiz. Maya. Okay. Who else? Okay. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to anything I am bright like that. Rashiva, oh my God, you hear that? Do you hear that, Maya? Rashiva said anything, she's bright like that. Wonderful. Okay, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to close down this math quiz and I'm going to, in 5 minutes, open the animal quiz. And I'm waiting for you guys to come on. So I'm giving you 5 minutes to catch your brain together, and then we continue with our animal quiz. Okay, guys? So see you in 5 minutes. Take care until I see you again in 5 minutes. But this time, Maya, you have to do your research and Google. I am giving you that chance to use your research, find your resources on Google, and let me see who first will find their answer and we get on. Okay? Enjoy the rest of your session and let me see you back in 5 minutes. Okay, guys? Take care until then.